guys, so this is Dave and Taste Butter to you once more. And I am at Tarrington Road. Yes guys, so I am at Tarrington Road. Next to where you find Tarrington Bridge when you pass Courts and come down there you see Tarrington Bridge. Yeah man, so I am at Tarrington Road and you can drive on this road. I'm going to show you guys where you find your circle. Yeah man, and this wonderful spot that I found for you guys. Yes man, the best soup man around here. Yes man, we have Tarrington Road right here. We hear about the best soup man. Yes man, I'm going to introduce it to you man. Yes man, so Taste Bud is here with you guys today and I'm going to let you see what I'm talking about on Tarrington Road right here guys. Yeah. So today you see Taste Bud is here with you guys and I'm going to make you meet the wonderful chef with his mom. Yes man, so I know him do crab. Yeah, so you know this road we are going to Ear Circle, you'll find the crab people in but one and only Paul, he do crab and he also do soup. Yeah man, but we're gonna find out what else he do for in that place, you know, so let's show you what going on the road outside here guys. Yeah. Yeah man. So here's where you find the road guys, right here. Yes guys, you'll find Tarrington Road. Yes guys, and off here. Beautiful spot right here guys. When I met you guys see, you know, you see it downside the road right here where you find the Ear Circle. I'm gonna make you see the road right over here guys. Yeah. I'm gonna make you see the road right here guys, yes. Alright. So I'm giving you guys a little tour of the road. Yeah man, you can find the great man what do them soup. So right half here, so you go around this corner. You find Ear Circle. Yes. So you talk about the Crop City guys, you go straight down that road right down there. You find the Crop City. Yeah. I know. We come around here. Great park right over there. Yes guys. Come around here. Yeah. Right guys. So we're going back up to where I begin. Yes guys, so we are here. We are here. Yes man, so and this is a beautiful spot guys. And you have parking spot around here man. You can come and park with your friends and family here man. And this is a great man right here. This is the great man right here. Big up yourself Paul.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so
Paul and my mother Marcia.
And mommy Marcia over there. Yeah, what I tell me ask mommy say boy mommy I want to come later. What time you open? Mama said 4 o'clock. Man, what they have told them time? Them time not even turn yet.
Yeah, because you know we have to go to market every morning to prepare the thing them.
Nice.
You can't buy the yam in a bulk. You have to buy yam every morning.
Great.
Look corn and look crab and look everything.
Nice.
Start the cooking right here.
Of course.
Yeah man, right here you do everything.
Yeah man.
Well, you can come now and say.
Yes.
Yam everybody.
So we also do yam. Yeah, not just crab alone guys. You do yam as well. Roast yam.
Sweet potato.
Wow.
Roast sweet potato.
Nice.
Roast yellow yam and yeah.
Nice.
Right.
Nice. Cool. Yeah.
And how you can show you how to prepare the salad.
So you have the finishing touch of the yam.
Yeah. This
nice.
is the finishing touch when we scrape them up now.
Oh.
So you can view them.
Beautiful.
Yeah, man.
And they have the saltfish as well.
Alright.
So you do the saltfish. Roast.
Alright. This is the saltfish. We roast some of the saltfish like this.
Nice. So there's a saltfish right there guys. Wow. Yes.
Roast the saltfish.
Nice.
So firstly with the saltfish,
come around here. So.
I know the saltfish salt. You know the people talk about salt and the one out for salt. So
nice.
You know, I buy the cases of saltfish, I see it, the salt I get out of it.
Oh.
And then I soak from morning, I soak out the salt.
Nice.
And then them dry them, put them on the house and get them dry back.
Nice.
And you know when we done with them like that now, but us roast them like this.
Nice.
Roast the saltfish like this.
Whoa. So the saltfish go with the yam.
Alright.
So you do anything apart? Oh, the
saltfish and yam, cook up saltfish and yam.
This is a cook up one?
Yes, this is a saltfish cook up with onion and tomato and scotch and pepper, whole pot saltfish and tomato.
Oh, beautiful.
This serve with the yam and serve with the sweet potato.
Nice. So, but I know you have the man that do crab.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, a crab here about you, you know.
Yeah,
Crab.
man, whole pack crab, but this morning to the guys, them tell me them couldn't get no car for coming with the crab. So them said tomorrow, but we always have nice good crab.
Nice.
Sorry, never have the crab to show you.
Yeah, man, don't worry.
Next time we can jump on the crab.
Show them the crab, huh?
Yes, man.
So when are you out here? Monday
to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Yeah, definitely Monday to no weekends.
No weekends.
Yeah, but rest on the weekend, cause every day we have to go market, buy fresh things.
Nice. I got church on Sunday.
No.
Yeah, I got ask me. I bet your mommy play football. Well, and also the soup as well.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
This is the cow skin and beef soup.
What?
Red peas.
See it here?
That bubble up.
Whoa. Watch it, man.
Bubble up a red.
Beautiful.
Whole pack cow skin and beef. Now you pot ready
and dumpling too. Dumpling.
Man. Everything they know you pot.
Yes, man. So cow
ready up
skin. YAM and banana. No, banana. YAM and Irish and all them things. Holy boat for the pot, man. And what you say, Paul? That done for the day? What you say? We're going to stick around and so I go on. So,
they're out here till 8 now.
8 o'clock at night?
Yeah, right here.
What you
This is
say?
boiled corn.
Boiled corn right over here, guys.
This is corn.
So this is a corn pot. This is a corn pot. Yeah. Big old shine pot right here. Big old shine pot. Look at the pot them big. Oh, yes, man. This come like when they are camp and see the big old pot them up at camp there, you know. Yeah, same thing Paula going off here so with man. Yeah.
The corn. Nice boiled corn.
Nice corn right over here.
Nice pot to the corn here.
Ah, so much for a corn like that, Paul?
They corn like this for 5 bills with coconut, corn and coconut.
Corn, what do you mean corn and coconut?
You eat corn and coconut.
With the coconut?
Yes, man.
Well, never. I've never tried that one.
I lick that, man.
Corn and
boiled
coconut.
Corn and coconut. Nice boiled corn with coconut.
So guys, if I eat corn and coconut in the description, make me so I go on. Because Paul just at about corn and coconut. But in coconut cook rice and peas, you never know say good corn.
I have roast corn.
See corn in there,
simple.
Oh yeah, say?
Yeah,
roast corn.
A roast corn.
Roast the corn. Well, I know about the roast corn.
Alright.
Nice. We're going to take a chat with mommy too, you know, because this mommy over there cut up the yam them earlier this morning, you know. Yes, man. So like I said, guys. Nice. Oh, so these one here is one of the roast.
Yes.
So this is the roast one.
Yeah.
This is the roast one.
So
See
we'll
right
take out
here,
some trash and now roast them now on the grill.
Beautiful.
So
Nice.
let's take out the trash and serve the corn and the trash.
So mommy, are you roast a corn?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can tell you my name in the moment. So mommy over here now. Oh, Aunt Mary.
No, Marcia.
Marcia. Yes, Marcia.
Yeah,
My what the name that you know? My what the name that Marcia. Yes, man. So this is the great Marcia cut up the yam this morning. And I say, hey, you're late, man. Cause right now over there I told you I sleep. 4 o'clock, auntie. I saw you wake up every morning.
3 o'clock morning. Time
Oh, what you
come
say?
on
So, I want to something on me, because Paul said I go to church now. I know you go to church, you know. So I can't go to church too. He say go play football.
Sometimes I'm go to church.
Sometimes, oh, of course. If he don't go to church, mommy will beat him. Mommy will beat him. So mommy say, you know, I go play ball to the next week at church, yeah? Alright, mommy, yes. Yes, man. So mommy say, oh, hold on, let me ask you a question, mommy. So are you bring your son in the business or, you
No,
know?
my mother.
Your mommy?
Yeah, my mother start the business, but she passed over.
Oh.
So, him take it over. Because me want to manage so much.
Oh, yes, man. So just teaching me cook.
You know, say, I must say I'm granny.
Yeah. So, mommy, me ask you a question now. I don't want to ask Paul this, you know. Because woman love man who can cook, you know. You're supposed to beat him every day. Hey, where you going so much, girl? Because them say, woman love man who can cook, you know. So,
yeah.
You know, Paul is a man now, we know the kitchen. So you're supposed to give him a whole heap of beat when he grow up here. Yeah, man. So, we go over here and show them how go the big old soup pot over here. So, yes, big old pot bubbling right over here. Whoa, see there? Yeah, guys. Yes, man. Yeah, man, here's the man of the great soup man around here, you know. Paul, you know how long I'm supposed to come late the man, but man say every time I come, I say, oh, I got so late. Oh, I got so late, you go on and come back.
Yeah, man, I want the people to see.
See what I go on.
Still late this morning.
I'm still late.
You should have come soon. Me a chew in the
Of
peas
course,
in the pot
of
and
course.
me a cut up and...
But nevertheless, guy, we still
Yeah.
come, we still come see
Yeah,
me,
man,
man.
yeah.
Yes, man.
Then I'm like,
Yeah.
right, the people to see,
See
right,
what I go
you
on.
do the thing, you know, right, you do cooking.
Yeah.
We don't cook nothing in the house, right, come out here, come
Nice,
here.
nice. So, Paul, so the number one thing up here, so the crab or the soup?
Well, definitely, you know, it's really Everything.
Everything?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Today, I don't know me have to answer a whole pack question.
Oh, for the crab?
For the crab.
For the crab.
Definitely.
Nice.
Because yesterday me have a whole pack crab and see, you run out.
Alright, so you're me so I want to get people my reason why they must come right here. So, and a parking spot where they can park.
Yes, man.
Can you see this developer? Is it that parking spot here?
Yeah, man. Parking
spot.
Really, it's not going to really park, but we have the opportunity for customers them can park.
Nice.
Them can park here because we really two-way and go in catch on the sidewalk, park and come have a meal with them.
Nice.
Have the roast yam, corn, the soup, the crab, anything you can get right here. Natural thing, roast yam and roast sweet potato, with saltfish, natural thing right here.
So here Paula said natural. You may ask him now. So you said natural juice.
No, I don't have natural juice yet. That's what I'm
juice?
making, because two of me and my mother alone,
Yeah.
and you know, say that this take a whole heap out of here, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, because you have to go people, because I'm going to tell you.
You're so early awake?
Early.
Of course.
I'm going to tell you, say, we don't buy the thing them in a bulk, because
Nice.
we can't buy the yam in a bulk.
Nice.
Because them things that for fresh, man, every day, you notice, we show them the yam on the store, but well, just roast, pretty.
Great.
So I forgot market every man, and this man now, this man are the maintenance man, and this man
the maintenance.
Yes.
Hold on there.
This man make the pot them look so shiny and pretty and clean up the pot them and
Of course.
things them
Clean.
Yeah, this man.
Alright, I recommend the man where keep the things them clean and the place clean.
Me man alone couldn't do it.
Yeah, make a talk to him, man.
Yeah, man.
See me now. So the great firebar right here.
Yeah,
So you're a great fireman. Yeah, man. Tell me your name, man. Tell me your name. I want me to get your name. Tyrone.
Ian George is right name.
Georgie. Why you gonna name a great name?
Ian George Jacobs. Ian. I-A-N-G-A-C-S. Ian George Jacobs.
So I guess so.
George is my middle name, but my father name is Jacobs.
Great. So you're the man who keep the place clean and thing.
Yeah, man.
Score the pot, man, thing.
You know?
Yeah, man. But I guess you can roast all yam too.
Yeah, man. I help you.
Of course.
Otherwise,
Yeah, man. So let me ask you a question. So you know the fish pan the side like over the sun. You know Rastaman thing.
No,
Look a fish soup.
After them busy, them used to do it, but them kind of can't.
I look a joke for you fancy, man.
We might do the starvation thing. Him no want soap there.
Yes,
Still
man.
the yam and thing, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I understand, man. I look a joke for you people, you know.
But him used to do it, you know.
Him used to do it?
Yes.
Something I run joke and I want thing that going so. Oh,
Roast
yes,
fish
man.
and-
Never know you say do the fish over I
Yeah, man,
can't.
you
So,
say,
yes.
you use roast fish though, man.
So what on there, man?
But two my daughter, two she,
Yeah.
make she do it, but two she get her shower now.
Shower now.
Yeah, so kind of, as I tell you, say,
Yeah.
rough with me and my mother alone from.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we have to
yeah.
do what we can do.
So
And
far you
force
can't
it.
play with me. He come down, he come early and do a thing and but me I just eat, me come eat still.
4 I'm going to tell you to 4 o'clock in the morning time you're there with the wife.
No man, me come
The
wash
wife.
pot bottom.
Eh?
Me come wash pot bottom, drink one of the soup
No, man, you
left.
take the Rasta work. I don't want him to lose the work.
Alright,
Long time them monks
Alright, we don't have to crave work. We don't have to crave work.
Long time them monks eat that food. So you don't know
Yeah.
what
So
to
far, we're going to stick around and see what
Yeah.
going because we know say you're saying on a crop today.
Yeah.
Because we really come to see all the crop too.
Yeah, man,
You know.
but that no want you
Yeah.
want you forward back for that.
Yeah.
You can show the people them how we deal with the crab.
Yeah.
Show them nice how we wash them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see if I get a
But-
crab bite it.
Eh?
Crab ever bite
Oh,
it.
you say, man?
Yeah.
Oh, you say, man?
Pop it on your finger.
Grab and put my finger and my flash him.
Yeah.
The claw le fall on my
Left
finger, people.
You don't want to put that one there. Do you vex him and step on him?
No, man, I cook him say I'm just eat him.
Alright. Revenge.
Yeah, eat him,
It's a
man.
revenge.
Yeah, man, people pass and laugh at
Yeah.
when them see me face up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But
Yeah.
at the work, so you don't know.
Alright, brother.
See?
But like that part, man. Any crab bite part, say, oh, me eat him.
Yeah, man. Any crab bite me, me eat that, man.
Yes, I don't want to know bite now. I feel customer then. Alright, brother. I like the vibes around here.
Yeah,
But
man.
stick around and so I go, man, and
Yeah.
drink two soup and eat a little corn and make the people them say, yo, Paul thing great, you know, with all mommy right here. Right, mommy, you look like my mother. I don't take you away, you know. You take you away from Paul, you know.
Well, you can't tell me alone, man. You know.
Yeah, wait, you alone?
No brother, no sister.
You just spoil the correct, didn't you, brother?
Nah, man.
Mommy, you spoil Paul, you know.
Nah, man, I'm Paul alone, man.
Hey, mommy, you spoil
I want
Paul,
Paul shop, no more.
Eh?
No sister, no brother.
No, sister, no, brother.
Me alone, boy.
You got to me say no spoil, brother.
No,
You know my
sir.
shoes every year, yeah.
No, man.
If mommy, everything you want him get it. Hey, you know much bicycle man clean up.
Aye.
Mommy give everything. See, mommy give all the business.
Yeah, man.
You mommy?
Yeah, man.
Give all the secret
Yeah.
to the cooking.
Right,
Yes, man. Come back over here and look on the great yam and the roast can on the fire right here. Yes, man. See it right here. You know, this are the authentic way, you know. You look Jamaican style, young and go a country and see them a roast the can. You know, laminate roast can. Yes, roast can nice. You put butter on it too? No butter. Oh, the boiled one, but not up on the roast one. Nice. Right here, yes, man. So, Paul, anybody ever tell you like do something that's like cook some food and all them things?
Yeah, people always come to man once enough time and say, Paul, we don't do this and do that. But let me tell you.
Yeah, I'm
fire
alone, so
heat,
yeah. You can, no, it's hard.
So those,
real
you know,
thing.
yeah, anything me I do almost natural. Me not going
Nice.
no this and that.
Nice.
The only thing might add now, so you know what they when the breadfruit enough, me used to roast breadfruit.
Nice.
I just them thing them roast breadfruit, roast yam, roast sweet meat. Me not do no rice and nothing.
Which is right.
See?
Which is right.
Yeah, man.
So Paul, I see a big igloo over there, so you know. So you know, so
Yeah,
guys,
I just
swag one, juice night, water
yeah,
night.
I just water and
I can show them.
Yeah.
So no one them stop and buy the juice now, you know. Before them come here so to Paul, you know. You just come right up here, so guys, and see it here.
You don't know you eat that.
See it right here.
Eat a yam and sauce.
Nice
you want
juice.
Yam or so.
Yeah.
You want a juice, a beer.
Yeah. Dip on the side.
Yeah.
Dip on the side. And Paul said, boy, I go the natural way, but in the radiate, you know.
Yeah.
You know, give some natural juice everybody, you know.
Yeah.
Nice. A lot of person like natural juice too, you know. You understand?
Buy the yam. I would every day them come and war with me for that.
Yeah, natural juice. Yes,
Definitely.
man. Yeah, man. Them are going to want a natural juice. Because me, man like my natural juice.
Yes,
you know.
man.
Yeah, man. We like natural
the
juice.
natural way, you know.
Yeah.
You could carrot blend up and
Great.
Yeah.
So Paul, let me ask you, you said you play ball on Saturday and Sunday. You really want like a baller still, look at them say bow-legged man, a footballer, you know. So, where number 10, number 9?
No, number 10. A all age ball we play now. We don't need your
No, so younger days, so where are you? Number 10?
Yeah, man, no, number 10. Me used to play 8 and 7.
It was a 50 me I give you.
Yeah, midfield.
Great Paul. Alright guys, so Taste Bud is here with the great Paul right here. I love him vibes, you know. Yes, man, I'll say I'll call it probably, I'll call it too.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, morning, Coley. Big up yourself. So you them call Coley? You them call Coley? Yes, man, so Coley. Coley. Yeah, man. So tell you what I'm going to Coley. How should I get them Coley from? We have the hills. Clarendon.
Yeah.
Nice. So they come man, you come here?
Yeah.
From 3 o'clock, get up on the road?
From 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Yeah, man.
So Coley there now?
Yeah, man. Big up,
Great
man.
Coley.
Big up, man.
Yes,
Big up.
man.
Respect.
Alright,
Man,
Coley.
supply the place.
Yeah, so you got all about to the cold Coley.
Yeah, man.
But Coley never come to my yard. But I guess don't want to call me for you, you know.
I don't know how to find it, so.
Ah, alright. Just look up Taste Bud, man. Must find me. Anyway, the food over there, Coley. Bless up yourself, Coley. Yes, man. So guys, we'll like the ends, man.
Yeah. Don't know today.
Seriously good for the belly. Yes. Yeah, so guys, I speed for a little banana. I'm going across the road to get a little banana right over here. Yes, look. You feed for a banana, you just shoot at the stall right over there. So buy a little one banana. Going across the road, innit? Yeah, guys. Hello. Yeah, just bringing down for my thing too, you know. Yeah, man, so over here have a good old ground provision and all that stuff right over here. You know, you buy something from Paul, you want to go over here. How much for a banana? Oh, just don't give me a banana, I eat a banana. I'm going to eat a banana, guys. So this is $100 for a banana. It's Jamaican $100 for one banana right here. Beautiful, guys. Yes. So, and you have all pear. this is a good old pear. So much I sell a pear for?
I have pear for 3.
Yeah, come talk to them, you know, car you're a guy lights too, you know, so. Yes, man, so she's gonna give me a nice fat banana, but one thing do you know, Mr. Man like eat my banana and bread, you know.
Oh, you
So,
mean?
you know on a bread?
No, I'm not having the bread right here.
bread. She not on a, oh, you sell bread?
No, I don't sell bread.
Oh, you don't want to give me 2 slices out of the kitchen?
And you know,
Yeah.
the good old brown food,
Nice,
season,
nice. Yeah.
and some nice planting.
Nice.
Yes.
And so on there. So when Paul run out of yam, him come buy yam from you?
Yes, and I
Nice.
have green and ripe.
Nice planting
Yes.
over here, guys. So you
And
sell a
Paul
planting?
by planting
Tell
too.
me
I
you sell a
have
planting.
planting 350 a one
Nice.
and 4.
Nice.
And I have
Great.
pumpkin 250 a pound.
250 a pound. Like the planting. So you have the green planting and the ripe planting. You can lift up the ripe planting, let them see it.
Yes.
How much I sell? One par. One of the planting.
350.
For one?
Yes, and 4 for these.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
And we sell pine.
So you make
$300
you want,
a pound.
you want to make your juice, you got good old pine.
Right.
Nice,
And we
nice,
have
nice.
ginger too.
So what's your name? What do you call it? Browning?
Jacet.
Just said.
Yes.
And when they come and only your name say
Some
Browning.
people say J, some say Browning.
Nice.
Yes, I answer to all those names.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. It's a beautiful answer.
See you way. All right, beautiful. All right. No, we're not out of that.
Right here, we're going to have the food shop.
Oh, you have a food right here too. Right here.
Food as of next
Tell
week.
them, man. Tell
We're
them.
going to have food as of next week in the Good Cook Shop. Local Jamaican food.
Paul calling you.
Yes!
Oh.
I'm not telling you, we're going to open as of next week. We're going to have good local
Talk to them,
Jamaican
man.
food.
Yeah.
Rice and peas with natural coconut juice.
Show them
and the good
where?
pork. Right,
Right
here
here.
at this restaurant, the Mango Tree
Nice.
restaurant, One Stop Mango Tree
Under the
restaurant.
mango tree.
So cooked.
So the restaurant gonna name now. Under the mango tree restaurant.
Right.
And the great old miss right here
what
doing the
is
thing.
it? One Stop Food Cook Shop?
One stop food cook shop.
Oh,
Don't worry yourself, man. As soon as I hope him, I'm coming back, man.
yes,
Coming back
right
for you.
here.
Coming back for you.
Right
So this
at
is
several times on
the
the road,
nice
you can
J.
get the good local food
Nice.
to buy.
So,
Very nice
so
with the soup
can you
over
tell
there.
Can you tell the people and give them a reason why they must stop off here with Paul and you?
Okay.
Is it safe to come right here?
Yes, very
Nice.
safe. And we sell the nicest Jamaican soup, food, and ground provision.
Nice, great, great.
Yes.
All right, so you said next week you're hoping.
Yes.
Actually, more banana, you should put her up a little thing in her, so she'll get a bus, man. You understand?
Right.
And then she'll go give about 3 banana free.
Yes, or more.
Or more.
Yes.
All right, but you know, like banana and bread. You know, we don't want to show them say, boy, banana go with bread. You know. But you know what? We're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat the banana one. We're gonna eat the banana. We're gonna eat the banana.
Okay.
All right, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to try my soup right now to make you know how I feel about the tasting of great man Paul's soup. Yes, man. So I'm gonna try the soup right now. You understand? So, like I said, guys, near ear circle, you cannot miss. Yes, man. So I tried the ear already, guys. So you cannot miss. The sun blazing right now, guys. Yes, man. The sun blazing. Yeah, man. So, like I said, they can come right up here. So, and there's the next food outlet's gonna be right across the road. Yeah, man. Right out and mango tree. So them says next week before they establish open. Yeah man, so I'll be back over there when them time open to see what's going on over there. Yeah man, so like I said guys, I'm gonna try the soup right now. And yeah, because right now I smell the soup. You know the soup. Bringing that in the nose then, so let's go and go on for the soup right now. Yes man, so alright, yeah. Alright Paul, so you're gonna for now Paul, right? Let them taste up the soup, you know, so give me a 4 bills one day. Yeah man, and put about 6 dumplings in the 4 bill soup. Yeah man, so I'm gonna drink some soup right now, man. Yeah man. Yeah, so I'm gonna have my soup right now. Yeah man, soup right now, you see. So like I said guys, they have the roast yam. You know, the roast yam go with the fish, which is a roast fish. Yes. Nice. A little soup right here. Yes. A little soup right here. Great. Much of that part got in my mouth. What's the tongue a while ago? Yeah, man. And the yam too, I'm gonna try the yam too, you know. I'm gonna try the yam and the saltfish. Yes, man. Yes. Ooh. So this is right after the fire. Yeah, man, right after the fire. It's not cold, so you know, you love your hot soup. You come right here, man. You get your hot soup. Much dumpling park with that soup, you know. Tell him 6, you know. Tell him 6, but it's a one already. Cold skin. Wow. Yes, man. What? Cup of run auntie. Yes, guys, so I'm going to show you the good old yam. Yeah, good old yam. So, cut up the good old yam right there, so now. Roast yam, great. Good old roast yam here. Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this pretty little money when I don't use. Nah, no use to the Jamaican 5 bills. Pretty budget and no use. Yes, man. Yeah, guys. So, like I said, guys, like, share, subscribe. You understand, with your friends and family. And like I said, guys, anywhere the food they hit, you know, so we'll find them. Yeah, man. So you cannot miss call at all, man. Like I said, guys, just come around here. But before I go, I'm gonna make him let him know in the description. Yes, man. So you can call him and make a order. So you know, prepare your little crab or your corn and your roast yam with your saltfish roast also. You know, you come and get it. Beautiful ends, you can come and park outside on the outskirts or inside here. You know, and then you sit right here and have your beautiful roast yam. Yeah, you understand? And buy some juice from mommy right here. Yeah, man. So bring your friend and come, man. Soup very nice, man. But it go hot. Put a nice one to go and cool. Yes, man, go hot. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna make a call, left this number in the description. And then, you know, call him. Yeah, man. So, talk to the great old Paul. Yeah, Paul, sorry, I tell him, so why you left your number in the description so them can call you?
Huh?
Why you left your number in the description so them, where you know them can shout you up and make a little order, you know? So you can tell him your number.
454
Yeah.
77
Nice.
80.
Again?
454
Yeah.
77 80. Wow.
Yeah, man, give me a reason, man, tell him to come here, so, man.
Yeah?
Don't worry, man. Make them know why them come here, so, man.
Yeah,
Not go worry, man.
When they want piece of yam and saltfish,
yes, man.
you know, for drive, but we are country, they're right in the town. Yeah.
Right in the town.
Torrington Bridge, right at Paul. Yeah,
Nice.
At roast yam and saltfish.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Great.
Boiled corn, soup,
Yeah.
crab,
Yeah.
all them food, they can just check it right at Paul.
Nice.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
No weekend.
Ah, Nice. All right, take out the Auntie too. Auntie with the beautiful smile right here. Yeah, man, with the lovely can. Nice. You understand, Auntie? Nice can. Auntie shy too, you know. I bet it's how much, man. How much money, man, Auntie? March. July. All right, guys, so we are out. So we come link Paula next time with a friend and thing and come B2 can and some yam. Say Rastaman over there, scrape up the thing over there. So we'll show you man what we've not seen there. Scrape up the yam and thing. Yeah man, I scrape the yam man. Rastaman at work, you know? Yeah man. Fireman at work. So in Jamaica we call him the fireman. Yeah man, the Rastaman, so we call him the fireman. Yeah man, so like I said guys, Deep and Taste Buds be with you at another spot. Beautiful roadside cooking, great authentic style. Until we meet again, remember to like, share and subscribe. Peace out. So I'm leaving right now, so I'm going to drive past Euro Circle where the Crab City. Yeah, I'm going to show you Crab City. So the great Euro Circle, you find great old crab. Yes man, so we're gonna drive past right here now guys. So we're going. Alright. So video while driving is not very good for me. Good for those guys. So here so is where you find beautiful views guys where you can see what's going on right here. Guys, so we're at the great Euro Circle right here, the Crab City. Yeah man, so this is a great old crab right here. So I am passing through, so I'm just showing you guys Euro Circle, great city man. You understand? Although my little lady said she don't like the video, you know, she's shy. She's a shy person, but I can still show the little thing that's going on. So yeah, you do soup to a thing. Soup and can. Nice. You say soup. So the can. Yeah man, nice old can right here. Yeah. Over here, good old crab. So you guys, you know, Euro Circle still blazing in me. Good things going on right off here, so well developed and things with a wash here and all that stuff. One more right here. Yeah man, so things going on in Euro Circle right here man. So you don't want to tell the people why they have to stop. Can't tell them to stop man. Tell them to stop by. Yeah man. So you can stop by man and get your beautiful crab and your nice soup seaweed. So this is the great old Euro Circle with Crab City. Yeah man, so I'm passing through guys. Yeah man. Sorry, you know. Yeah man. Still going on right here. So we'll link again here pretty. Yeah man, we'll link again. Alright. Yes man. So this is a great old Euro Circle right here. Nice. Wash here and everything is there. Yes man. Alright guys.